And I got my Tein's coilovers. We'll open this up, and yeah, this is for the 6-speed. All right, we're gonna open this up. We got this from Heel Toe. Shout out to Heel Toe. I'm gonna open this up, and here we are. So I went with Tein's coilovers. They should already be preloaded. So yeah, I went with 10 coilovers for the Acura TL, the Flex Z. This was about like total with like 870 probably. But man, they look so good. But yeah, we'll probably be installing this maybe in this video when the 6-speed stuff. We'll see, because I got a bunch of other projects right now, but in this video for you guys it'll probably be the same one. But yeah, looks good. Alright guys, so I actually got the chrome piece in. Looks so good. I might take off the rear bumper. I might actually start trying to mock up the CDMs, or I'll hold off. Maybe I'll put the the rear coilovers on, just so I could get the back seat all back together, because you can see it's a pretty big mess right now. So I'll probably just do that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the rear coilovers, and I'm probably not gonna adjust them. They should be at a good pretty ride height. That way I could put that in and start getting these Tein's box. I still gotta put the front ones in too. Maybe I'll do at least mock it up in there with the bolts, the very top bolts. So yeah, let me actually pull this off. We got one of the rear ones right here. They don't matter what side, they all have the same universal hole. I'm gonna see if the box comes with any hardware, but I really doubt it. But here we go. There's one of them. Let me open this box at the back. Alright, because with no hardware, I figured we're going to be using their OEM bolts. Because with one of the adjuster, the dampening adjusting. Because one of those, it comes with a cool like metal Tein badge and some stickers and some instructions in Japanese and 2 spanner wrenches. But yeah, we're going to install them just like this for now. We're going to put the top bolts in, that way I can get my back seats in. I probably won't put the bottom one in yet until I get more of the arms for the rear and finish up the brake setup and all that good stuff, because I'm doing the 370Z rear brake setup. But yeah, let's go ahead and actually install these so I can put my back seat together. Alright guys, got the back seat in. Coilovers are up there and tight on the very top ones only. Hard to see. Back seats are finally put back together. For the front ones, I put one kind of finger tight now, but I don't know why, but it comes with 2 hardware right here, and the studs are super loose. I'm just gonna assume that that it'll just tighten up. It's not even a stud as you look at it. It's just like it grips the bottom of the nut. Very weird. I never saw that on a TL coilover before. I don't know why. Maybe it's just so that way it's easier to remove, like right here. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this back on. Alright guys, so I'm tightening up these just the 17s, not these 12 mils, and then go from there. And this is the original one for nut for these. I don't know why I didn't come with just all 3 of them, but yeah, we'll go ahead and tighten up these 17s. Alright guys, we are moving on to the 6-speed. We are gonna be just doing another sealant. It's a quick coat on top of everything. I believe this one is the one that was leaking. That one was fine already, but I think I noticed a few cracks. It might be that one. One of these has like a little tiny crack. We'll just seal up real quick before we throw these on. These are depots, so as you guys already know, depots, you would want to reseal these right when you get them, just like how I did. Just put some tape and a quick silicone. I'll show you guys what I use. I use black because it's stealth. Hopefully I have black here, not gray. But yeah, that's what I use, because they leak from like right when you get them, no matter what you do. But yeah, and then I also ordered some silicone packets. I'll show you guys probably in the next clip, if anything, because I don't have it yet. It's at home. We're gonna put them where the ballast goes, just to keep more moisture, because I heard also from Osman Instagram right here is that they don't even come with absorbents, water absorbents, like the OEM one does. So we're gonna throw some in there just to help out a little bit, but just reseal them and then we'll come back tomorrow. All right, all I have is gray, so I'm not gonna use it. This is, I don't even know if this is the right one either. This is fuel resistant, but it's gasket maker. I'm gonna get the black one. So let me actually go to the store tomorrow, come back here, and then show you guys exactly what we're doing. Unfortunately, I did not have time to get the sealant right now. So we're gonna have to make this a 2-day process for me, but for you guys, same day. I actually got the package right here for the absorbent. So let me open this up. It was not that much. I think it was like 20 bucks, and it comes with a lot. So let me open this up right here. You can see, comes with big ones, small ones, a whole bunch. So let's gonna open this up right now. Yeah. Pull this all out. All we need is just 2 big ones. So we'll grab these. Maybe we'll grab 4 of these guys, which is, I guess I only give you like 5 of them. 4 of these, and we're gonna put it in here somewhere behind this ballast. So let me actually put this away and we'll focus on this. All right guys, put one here, taped it up, and put one on this side. I just had to tuck it in, and this should be good to go. Do the same thing with that one, and then next clip I'll finally have the sealant, and then we'll do another coat of sealant, and then we'll slap it on the 6-speed finally. Finally got it. It's this black RTV, and we're gonna put it, I'm not gonna tape it up. This one I taped up, that's why it looks kind of more cleaner, but this one I'm just gonna put a layer right in the middle with my finger. I'm not gonna go crazy with it, because it's already in it. I think it's just in the middle, kind of split some places. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna film this, I'll show you guys after. Just like that, guys. Silicone is on it, and this one is done too. Just a quick layer. I actually got the headlights for my bag car, so we're gonna do the same thing for those. Okay, so sealant is drying on both of them. I don't think I showed you guys, but these are the ones that I bought it like maybe 2-3 years ago. I actually got these back in a trade, so I didn't even really pay anything. So this actually doesn't go on here, just to get it situated. Alright, for the 6-speed, we are putting the headlight on. I just got this kind of just on here for now. More just a fitment soon, and then we'll do that side. But we are finally making some more good progress on here. That way we can make this look complete. After this, technically I could put the splitter on and then the bumper on, or bumper and splitter and whatever. And then yeah, we're almost there. So let me at least get the headlights on here, and then we'll continue. I think this is a rear tow arm, I believe. I got the SPC one, another one for the other side right here. I think this is the number right here. And here is the old one. It's just a 17 right here and a 17 over here. And then it comes with new hardware, because on the end of this fork it comes with a nut. And on the new one, it does not, so it comes with the hardware. So that way you can use the nut, which is just a 17. There's like, looks like this, as you can see it, right there. All right, and it comes with new hardware for the bracket for your cable, your emergency cable. This one is a little bit tighter, so let's hope everything works good, but there's no kinks or nothing, so it should be fine. And back there is just a 17, which you just remove and put right back in. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm waiting for this fork to come in right here, that goes up here, and then we can start getting most of this back together. Alright guys, just like I said, this is a 12 or 14 right here. Remove that. We got the 17 up here, very easy. And then we got another 17 down here. So let me go ahead and just knock this side out just like the other side. Alright, so I got this adjusted. All I do is just put this nut right here on this hole, and then make sure these bottom ones line up as close as you can. This is going to get in alignment anyway, so you just get it as close as you can. And now you can see the bracket difference, how it's a little bit more tighter, because I don't know why. It's probably because the adjusting is in the way. But now we can, and also you want to make sure the threads are basically even at both sides when you adjust it, and it moves them evenly. But yeah, now we go ahead and lock this a little bit. Just put it up here so it don't move too much. And then same thing with this one. And then this is the hardware, so this is the hardware for the bottom. And like I said, this OEM one has the nut already attached, this one don't, so you're going to use this hardware. And then you got this for the bracket for right here, because this one has one already rounded. Alright guys, everything all tightened. It just seemed like there might be a little bit of resistance, but once we adjust everything, it should be fine. But yeah, let's go ahead and wait until the next camera or arm comes in, and we'll continue the video. So guys, we are going to be putting this PCV valve in. It goes right there, very simple and easy. So we're going to have to take out this probably 10 or 12, remove that, and we got a new OEM. So I'm going to put it right here. Alright guys, so I use a flathead after I take the 10 mil off. Very easy. You gotta just use like a short and a ratchet, very short one, because the radiator would be in your way. But after I just put the flathead right here, it actually just popped out, just like that. I don't know what this is for. It says the PCV valve, but I don't know what that means. So got the new one. I just dropped it, and here is this new, old, because of the new O-ring. These ones are nice and new. These ones are actually old and flat. They'll probably break if I take them off, so we'll go ahead and replace it. It wasn't that much, maybe 25 bucks. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but link in the description where I got this. I got this on eBay. Goes right back in, and then we just tighten it up to 10 mil. Alright, just like that, new one is in. I think next we might just work on doing the side skirts, because we're holding off on the CDMs. That's for another video, if you guys haven't seen it already. But yeah, that's for another video. I'm going to go ahead and put the brace, the artwork splitters onto the side skirts now. So I'm going to pull this off and start doing that now. Alright, we're back, and I totally forgot to record it, but I can show that side because of the light. Okay, that's the artwork body shop splitter that was originally on this car over here, or was originally on this splitter. But this one don't even have side skirts, so I don't need it. So yeah, we put it on here, and then eventually we'll put the rear one on the rear bumper once it's all done. But maybe now I gotta see if we're gonna do the front splitter or not. We don't know yet. We'll see. I'm gonna try to put this bumper on, because I don't think there's anything really else I gotta do in here. Everything is pretty much tied up. So, and I can always put the lip on another, because I think I put the lip on after on my other TL, so I should be fine to put it on and then put the splitter on after.
Gang, gang, gang.
So we're gonna see if I could pause this trimming. I just need to get this trimming just a little bit more. This side is decent enough. I just have to get this one in.
We're gonna stick a banner on with no adhesive, guys.
I don't think it's gonna stick.
No, it's not. I don't know.
Well, don't worry. He brought in glue sticks. I feel like it's not fucking paper, right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. I don't know how stickers work, but I feel like
it's supposed to be sticky. I mean,
I feel like he reversed it, or like whatever process he made for this, it just stuck on the backing paper. Remind you of something, Demi?
What?
This remind you of something?
Of yours? Alright, see if it's level before I go crazy with it. But yours was sticky at least, huh?
Well, yeah, mine was hollow thick too.
Kind of level?
I mean, shit, if you don't want to fucking see nothing, then yeah, if you're trying to be like those big banner static boys.
Alright, let's go for it, come on. Before it sticks.
Yeah, hurry up, it's in the stick, bro.
That looks pretty good. I like it like that.
Yeah.
Alright, how's that look? Pretty good?
Yeah, Demi, stick it.
Don't gotta be perfect.
Stick it, Demi.
Hey, what if it works? What if it actually works?
Nah, it's supposed to have adhesive on it.
Hey, what if it actually works though?
Then
we're just assholes.
I'm leaving the car.
Look at that. Look how clean that came out better than your freaking $20,000 Legends medium one.
I didn't even clean my windows though, so.
How'd that look? Straight still? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We're here. We're trying to put my sponsor banner on, but I don't know if it's gonna stick. We'll see. Looks good. It's not coming off like when I do this. Okay, where's the razor blade?
See if you look, maybe like lift it up, see if it lift. If it flip up, that means that it's not gonna stick. Just in the water, just holding it.
Let me see.
Doesn't come off. Oh wow, it did.
No, it never comes off. No, it doesn't even want to come. Alright guys, we have some more SPCs. We're going to be replacing this right here. We're going to be replacing this arm. And then I think there's one more arm back here that we got to replace. It's kind of hard to see, but it's this arm is the next one I'm going to be ordering. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and do this arm right now. Alright guys, so we got the arm off right here. And we are, like we always do with these, we are going to match it as close as we can. And then we'll put it on. It comes, so this one comes with a nut already on there. This one comes with one in a package you're going to have to put on separately. So let's get into this. Alright guys, so my mistake, I actually ordered the wrong one. This is way too wide. It would not even fit in there. And then it's way too long. So we'll actually have to return this. I thought it was gonna fit, but unfortunately no. So next we gotta order that. We still gotta order that back arm, which is the last one, and then reorder this.